Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to get proof of accounts on Capitec app. So once you open your application, of course, you must be logged in. Then click on the drop-down menu at the top left. Once you click on that, you should find yourself with this. Click on Documents. Once you click on Documents, you should find yourself with this Choose a Document. So choose Proof of Accounts. Once you choose that, you'll find your account. You can select which one or of your accounts you would like to generate the proof of accounts for. Once you select the account, click on generate. And here you will have to confirm. So you'll read your account number and every other thing and click on send. Once you click on send, you'll have to verify by entering your email address, then go in and click on continue. Once you click on continue, here you'll find the disclaimer. Make sure to read it very good so you don't miss something, and you'll have some check marks that you'll have to check at the bottom. So once you read the disclaimer and check everything out, you'll find another send button at the bottom and you should be good to go. You'll receive then the proof of your account and your email that you entered right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.